Let's say you've got a table with a bunch of blanks, and you want them all filled with the value above. Well, most people would type them one by one, but there's a faster way.
Here's how to go about it.
First, highlight your table with Ctrl-A, then press Ctrl-G, and click Special Check Blanks on the pop-out, and then hit OK. Now all the empty cells are selected, so you can just type equals, then click the cell right above and press Ctrl-Enter, and instantly every blank is filled with the right value, and that's it. One of the most underrated features of Excel that still saves me time every single day. Let's say you've got a giant Excel sheet with hundreds of rows, and as soon as you scroll down, your headers disappear. Instead of constantly scrolling back up to remember what column is, do this. Click the row right below your headers, then go to the View tab and click Freeze Panes. Freeze Panes again. Now when you scroll, your headers stay locked in place, making your data way easier to navigate. You can even freeze columns too, by clicking the cell below and to the right of what you want to lock. If this helped make your spreadsheet easier, let me know in the comments and tell me your favorite Excel feature.